Hey everyone, so today we have a video featuring Saviland. This is the SS Pro X UV nail lamp for gel nails. It is a 10-second fast cure. The headlight features SS Pro Lamp X technology equipped with high quality 365 nm plus 405 nm lamp beads for a 8 times amplified spotlight, quickly curing gel nails, Gel-X nails, and more in just 10 seconds. It has 2 lighting modes. In addition to the 8 times spotlight bead at the top, the bottom of the nail lamp features 4 LED beads providing full coverage for curing all 5 nails. Simply switch between modes using the button to suit your curing needs. Long-lasting batteries. It comes with a 400 mAh battery offering over 90 minutes of continual use on a single charge. The nail lamp has an LED display showing curing time and battery level with a 45-second timer. Also use it for all curing needs. The nail lamp works with all types of UV LED gels, including nail glue gel, gel polish, builder nail gel, rhinestone glue gel, and more. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the box. It says Super Hand Lamp Saviland 400 mAh, 8 watt, and 90 minutes. And then here is the back of the box. So here is the front of the pamphlet. Has a little more information down here, basically what the front of the box had. Here is the inside of the pamphlet, description, instructions, precautions, and then warranty information. And then here is the back of the pamphlet. Okay, so it does come with the cord, but it does not come with the C USB charging port. Let's go ahead and get the little light out of the box. Okay, so it is curved. I think that it could go ahead and do a fast cure of 4 nails. This is the side that you would put the charging cord into. Here's your little LED display up top. Here is the one button turns on the front light. And then if you click the other button, then it turns on the lights underneath. And it does have a 45-second display. This light up here at the top is the 10-second fast cure 8 times amplified spotlight, and then this one is the regular 4 little LED lights. So I do like the shape of it, and I do like that it is curved. I like the fact that it's not really heavy. It's very lightweight. It's easy to pick up because it is curved. If you just want to set it down like that, or if you wanted to set it like that, it is very easy to pick up. The buttons at the top are very easy to switch back and forth between the top light and then the lights on the bottom. So I do like that. So that is very, very convenient. Let's go ahead and let me get some nails set up and we'll go ahead and test it out. So we are going to go ahead, we are going to test it out a few different ways. The first way I'm going to test it out is I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to paint this nail and then use the lamp to cure it. I do have my tip already prepped. Okay, so this has been going for about 20 seconds now. I always like to use my lights longer than the, yeah, see, that's cured. I like to use my lights longer than just 10 seconds. Like for 10 seconds, I would basically use it for like if I was trying to, you know, like just like attach like a rhinestone or a nail art decoration before I would stick it into my regular lamp. But see, this is cured and this has only been on here for like, I only had this going for like maybe 20 seconds. So, but this is cured. And for this polish for some reason dries non-tacky. So let's go ahead and do a second coat. And we'll use the other the other side. So now we're going to use the underneath side. I don't know if you guys can see the timer. Let me set this down and see if you guys can see the timer. So you really can't totally, it's like 26. So we're going to go ahead and do the full 45 for this. So we'll just see how it turns off. I wish you guys could see the light. We're in this 5 seconds. Okay, so it turned off. And this is a second coat. And this is cured. This is literally cured. And like I said, this one dries tack-free for some reason, this polish. So anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna leave that one on there like that. Let's see what it does with like a white. I was curious. Okay, so on this one, I'm gonna try to watch more. Okay, so we're gonna count. We're gonna do like 20 seconds. Okay, 20 seconds. Yeah. So see, that is definitely, well, maybe not as much. The white might need longer. The other one was a little more sheer. This is a little more opaque, so I'm just going to go ahead and do it a little longer. Yeah, so it would have needed the full 45. But it is still, for a little tiny light like this, to cure this, that is really, really good. Okay, so we're going to put this little cute little heart with a bow on this. This is like a, kind of like a thicker glue. We're going to do 10 seconds. 7 seconds. Yeah, that's on there pretty darn good. Yeah, so that was 10 seconds. That's on there pretty darn good. It's like that sucker's not coming off of there. Okay, so that one looks good. Okay, so now we're trying it on the silicone mold. I'm just going to use the end. I'm just going to go ahead and let it go through the full 45 seconds. Okay, and it turned off. And we're just going to peel that up. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that worked really nice. And then I have this other type of glue. That's a little more runny. Oh yeah, that's nice. So it had no problem with that. It had no problem with this one over here, which is a heavier one. Okay, so now we're just gonna try like a gel X type of a method, and I'm just using like a brush on glue. This is the way I like to do mine because I always get too much glue on mine. And we're just, like I said, it's just for a demonstration. It's not for application purposes. So it does work for the Gel X method, at least for my little experiment. It did. Works very nice. It's not coming off of there. So that is good. That sucker's on there. So yeah, so that is good. And then I also just wanted to try a thicker gel. And we're just, again, it's just for demonstration purposes. Okay, let's try this. So that worked nicely. That worked better than I thought it would. So yeah, so that one's sticking too. So that is really, really nice. So basically, I think you could pretty much use this for anything you wanted to use it for. I mean, I did cure these two polishes with this light. So, and they are cured. They are cured. There is nothing uncured about these. I'm going to go ahead and put a top coat on these. Okay, so let's go ahead and do these two together. We'll do the bottom light. We'll go ahead and do it for the 45 seconds. Okay. Oh yeah, that's really nice. Yeah, no, it cures it really, really nicely. I mean, I'm actually really surprised. No, I love this little lamp. This little thing's going to be traveling with me when we go back and forth to Wisconsin. So let's go ahead and do a little recap. On this nail, we did 2 coats just because this one isn't as opaque as the white over here. This one was just 1 coat of the polish. It had no problems curing the polish. I did go ahead and I think I went ahead and did like maybe 30 seconds and then 45 seconds. This one was definitely 45 seconds. But anyways, so let's say 30 seconds the first cure and then maybe 45 seconds the second cure. I can't totally remember. But anyways, and then this one I think I tried just to do 30 seconds, but then I went ahead and did the extra 15. So not totally sure on that. Went ahead and we made this little charm with the little silicone mold, and it had no problem curing the little charm. It actually turned out really, really nice. This one, we applied this charm on with a thicker kind of a nail glue or nail art charm glue that is like comes out of a squeeze tube. Had no problem curing it. I even wiped off a majority of it. It is still stuck on there like crazy. We went ahead and we put a thicker top coat on both of these. Had no issues curing them. So then we went ahead and did our little test down here, which was the swatch sticks with the Gel-X tip on it. We are not looking at application. We are just looking at how well the lamp cured. So this is more of like a solid Gel-X nail glue, and I just wanted to see how it would work like on the swatch stick with the tip and with lamp, and it worked really, really nice. I mean, this thing is like on here, like it is not coming off, but it worked very nice. So that's with the thicker one. This is more like with a brush on Gel-X kind of a nail glue. This one worked really, really well. This one again is like on here, like literally my stick's gonna break here in a minute. But anyways, yes. So I am really liking this little lamp. I am very, very pleased with it. I think it is a wonderful design. Like I said before, I love the curve. I just like it. I like the way it feels in my hand. It's not too big, but it's not too small to where you feel like you're gonna like drop it, you know, because I'm just like, everything I do is fast. And it's like, it's easier for me for some reason to just pick it up like this, or even if it's like this, it's just easier for me to pick up. I have noticed with some of my other little fast curing nail lamps that I do have a tendency to drop them or fling them across the room. I had no issues with this one. And then like on top here, the buttons are easy to like maneuver in between with my thumb. So then like when I'm just using the light like this, it's just like hold it like this. But then if I want to switch to the light underneath and then just simply move it that way, I mean, you could really maneuver it very nicely with just one hand, and I am really just enjoying it. Thank you so much, Saviland, for contacting me and sending me this product. I really do appreciate it. I really do love the shape of this little nail light, and I do love how powerful it is. I am actually really surprised with how strong this little light is. I really wasn't expecting that, but I am very, very impressed with this little light. I will go ahead and leave Saviland's information in the description box along with my affiliate link and my discount code. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below about this little light. I think it's really, really nice. It is for sale on Amazon for $9.99, which is a really good deal. So if you wanted to hop over on Amazon, you could pick it up over there. But I am actually really, really impressed. I think it is really, really nice. I like that it cured the gel. I like that it cured the glues, that it cured the little charm that we made with the silicone mold. I like how it worked with the Gel-X system. So anyways, yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.